No project exists in a vacuum. Every initiative we undertake is shaped by conditions and constraints that originate outside the project itself. These are called enterprise environmental factors, or EEFs, and they can either enable or hinder our ability to deliver results. Over the next few minutes, we will explore what EEFs are, distinguish between internal and external factors, and understand why project managers must identify and account for them during planning. EEFs are not something we can control, but they are absolutely something we must respect. Ignoring them is one of the most common reasons projects fail to meet their objectives. Understanding these factors gives us the awareness we need to plan realistically and navigate constraints effectively. Let us explore this together. 3 essential things you need to know about enterprise environmental factors. Internal enterprise environmental factors are conditions that exist within the organization but outside the project manager's direct control. These include the prevailing organizational culture, which dictates how risk-averse or innovative the company tends to be. They also encompass the existing IT infrastructure, available tools and software, internal political dynamics, and the geographic distribution of resources. If our organization has a culture of lengthy approval processes, that directly impacts our project timeline regardless of how efficiently we plan. We need to assess these internal factors early and build our plans around the reality of our organizational environment rather than an idealized version of it. External enterprise environmental factors originate entirely outside the organization and represent conditions in the broader business environment. Government regulations and compliance requirements can dictate how we handle data, safety, or reporting. Market conditions influence budgets, timelines, and stakeholder expectations. Industry standards and benchmarks set the bar for quality and performance. Economic conditions, political stability, and even physical environmental factors like climate or natural disaster risk all fall into this category. We cannot change these factors, but we must monitor them continuously because they can shift during the course of our project and force us to adapt our approach. The defining characteristic of enterprise environmental factors is that the project team cannot control or modify them. This is what distinguishes EEFs from organizational process assets, which the team can update and improve. Our role as project managers is to identify relevant EEFs during planning, document their potential impact on our project, and develop strategies to work within their constraints. We should revisit our EEF assessment regularly because conditions change. A regulatory update, a shift in market demand, or a change in organizational leadership can all alter the landscape our project operates in. Smart project managers treat EEF analysis as an ongoing activity, not a one-time checkbox. 2 essential terms to understand about enterprise environmental factors. Internal EEFs are the organizational conditions we must work within but cannot change through our project alone. These include company culture, existing technology infrastructure, available tools, human resource policies, and the political landscape of the organization. We identify these early, so our plans reflect reality. External EEFs are forces from outside the organization that shape what is possible in our project. Regulations, market trends, economic conditions, and industry standards all fall here. We cannot influence these factors, but we must track them and adapt our approach when they shift during the project lifecycle. To explore more project management concepts, check the link in the description. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.